In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the 5 most common hardships that you need to qualify for a loan modification. Hey, my homeowners, it's Josh Sternberg coming at you from sunny Southern California. I hope everybody's doing well. Let me first clarify, you don't need all 5. You just need one type of hardship, and your hardship doesn't have to be any of the ones I'm mentioning now, but the 5 I'm gonna mention are the most common hardships. First, let's understand why you need to even have a hardship. The reason you need to have a hardship is because loan modifications, foreclosure assistance, workout solutions are hardship-based programs. The banks don't just do this because you decided to take money and put it in your savings account, or you decided to take money and go buy a second home. These are for people who have been hit with an unexpected financial hardship. If you've been hit with an unexpected financial hardship, by law, your mortgage servicer needs to review you for some type of a workout solution. That's a California law. So if you're outside of California, that may not be by law. But in California, we have something called the Homeowner Bill of Rights. And the Homeowner Bill of Rights says, before you foreclose, before you even start foreclosure, you have to do your best to reach out to the homeowner, reach out to the borrower, and see if there's a resolution that you can come to where both parties are happy. The first one is new, couple years new, is COVID, right? So COVID. If you're doing a loan modification now, you can just say during COVID, you had a hardship, because almost everybody in the world did, right? That hardship would be financial. You lost a job, you lost time at work, you had to shut down your business. All these different things that are related to COVID can just simply be your hardship. The second most common hardship is simply loss of income. Loss of income happens if you've been laid off, if hours have been cut, if the business that you worked for was shut down, or even if you started your own business and that business was closed. Okay, those are all different types of loss of income, and that's probably after COVID the most common one. It should be easy to prove what my income was compared to what my income is now that I'm going through this hardship. Number 3 is divorce. If somebody's been separated or divorced, that oftentimes means that your income can be split in half if you're a dual wage earning household. So if 2 people in the house are making money, cut that in half and now you're on your own. That really is detrimental to your finances, and that is considered a documentable financial hardship. The 4th one is death or illness. Okay, if somebody gets really sick, God forbid, or if somebody passes away, God forbid, and you lose that person's income, that is a documentable hardship, because again, it equates to a loss of income. And the 5th one that I want to leave you with today is increased expenses. Okay, so we spent a lot of time talking about what it means if your income is reduced, but sometimes we have things happen where our expenses are increased, and that can be a documentable hardship. So that's your 5 most common hardships when applying for a loan modification. Again, we had COVID, we had loss of income, we had divorce, we had death or illness, and we had increased expenses. Those are your 5. So I hope that helps. Don't get tricked up on the hardship portion of the loan modification application. That should be very simple for you to choose from something that's taken place and include that in your loan mod app. Okay, my name is Josh Sternberg from Sternberg Law Group. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We're always happy to get back to you. Look us up online, sternberglawgroup.com. Don't let your mortgage company bully you. Get an attorney, know your rights. Thank you so much. Hope this helps.